Good evening. I am Sananda and welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: Dense fog disrupts road and rail traffic across North India. Parliament's winter session enters final phase amid key discussions. United Nations call for stronger global action on climate change. Ceasefire talks continue amid ongoing Middle East tensions. Indian stock markets trade lower in early session. Government reviews progress of digital economy initiatives. India prepares for crucial test match against Australia. Indian athletes shine at Asian Youth Sports Championship. Now, news in brief. Dense fog conditions continue to affect several parts of North India, including Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi. On Friday, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a warning for reduced visibility during early morning hours. Several trains were delayed, and road traffic moved slowly on major highways. Authorities have advised commuters to travel with caution and follow safety guidelines. The winter session of Parliament is entering its final phase with discussion ongoing on important legislative matters. Several bills related to governance reforms and economic policies are expected to be taken up. Leaders from both the ruling parties and opposition have stressed the need for constructive debate to ensure smooth functioning of the House. The United Nations has urged countries to accelerate efforts to combat climate change, warning that delays could worsen environmental and economic challenges. UN officials emphasize reducing carbon emissions, increasing renewable energy, and supporting vulnerable nations. The call comes amid rising concerns over extreme weather environments worldwide. International diplomatic efforts are continuing to ease tensions in the Middle East, with renewed talks focusing on ceasefire arrangements and humanitarian aid. Global leaders have appealed for restraint and dialogue to prevent further escalation. Relief agencies are also seeking access to affected regions to provide essential assistance. Benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty traded lower during the early hours of Friday's session amid mixed global cues. Banking, IT, and metal stocks witnessed selling pressure, while FMCG shares showed some stability. Market experts advise investors to remain cautious due to the global economic uncertainties. The central government reviewed the progress of various digital economic initiatives, including digital payments and startup support programs. Officials highlighted steady growth in online transactions and increased participation of small businesses. The government reaffirmed its commitment to strengthening India's digital infrastructure. The Indian cricket team continued its preparation ahead of the upcoming test match against Australia. The team management focused on net sessions and fitness drills. The match is expected to be crucial for the first test match standings, with both teams aiming for a strong performance. Indian athletes delivered impressive performance at the Asian Youth Sports Championship, winning multiple medals across athletics, wrestling, and boxing events. Sports authorities praised the young players and credited grassroots training programs for their success. The achievements reflected India's growing strength in youth sports. That's all for today. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.